Alright, to do a flare, I'm going to start in this position in a straddle, and basically I'm swinging my upper body just to get momentum. But the flare really, it's going to come from this kick right here where I am kicking my right leg behind my left leg, and I'm swinging it in a circular motion. As you can see here from different angles, I'm kicking my right leg behind my left in a circular motion. So when you throw your legs out into a straddle and you jump, if you fall and then you fall and you fall again and then you crash and you fall again, don't worry, because I did that probably like 100 times before I even did one flare successfully. So don't get discouraged. That's all part of the learning process. So right here, I'm going to kick, I'm going to jump out, I'm going to plant my left hand down, and it's important that you plant that hand and you lift your hips up and you keep your legs in a straddle position. Okay, so they can go around. As you go around, you're going to plant your right hand down again. So as you can see, I do one, I'm going to kind of throw my legs out and plant my hands. And what I just did there, you'll probably do that a bunch of times too before you get it all the way around like this. So just remember to keep on practicing. Don't get discouraged. And if you have any questions, let me know. Peace.